Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Chainlink has moved only sideways basically over the weekend, and I'm still watching here for one more low in this wave 4. And we can track here a potential ABC structure in wave 4 because it's a corrective wave. So let's just put that onto the chart. Just an idea for the micro level. This looks like an A wave, B, and we could be in the C wave down, which might get one more low. The thing is that this move up looked quite promising initially after price broke out of the resistance area here. We had a neckline around 650, 660. Price broke out, reached here this descending trend line, got rejected, and then broke to the downside of the ascending broadening wedge. Ascending wedges are typically, you could call them bearish patterns. At least they are patterns where you would normally eventually look for a break to the downside. Now you never know when it happens, right? The trend line holds as long as it holds. And I said before that with these wedge patterns, when you have a movement or any price action in these patterns, it is typically quite choppy, so quite difficult to forecast a target because diagonals run until they get exhausted. The thing is, to get a more reliable setup for higher, we need to have 5 waves up. So far we only have 3 waves. I indicated that in the last video as well. Next support is, for me, fairly clearly here the previous breakout point, the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders around 650 to 670. I currently would fully expect price to get back to that region to test it. A break above the last swing high at 771 might indicate that we're already in the 5th wave. But note that this 5th wave is not guaranteed. It is already coming down quite deep, this wave 4. I said before, I'll give it a chance to give us that 5th wave as long as we're holding here that support, because we have previous structural resistance and it's the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders and previous support already. So it's going to be an important level. A break below that, and LINK could get back to new lows, to be honest. So it's just moving in corrective structures, not good, quite boring. And we're waiting here for the first 5 wave pattern to really indicate us indicate for us a pattern that would give us a setup for higher. At the moment, it's way too early to confirm that and to hype people or anything, or it's just a bit of a wait and see. But I would expect a bit of a reaction here in this region. Okay, at the moment it's just sideways consolidation, so continuation down is preferred. You could also add a small trend line. I mean, it's not very well defined, or actually it might be. But maybe here, that we have 3 touch points now, this dotted line, more or less, but it should react now to the downside. Let's see, it's going to be interesting. And again, a break below 650 will mean that it topped just in 4 waves in this wave 4, and we will get another low, and that would take us below the June low. Let me just double check. It would take us below the June low, so that we're ending below 490 somewhere. That's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.